Imagine standing in your garden. The soil feels tired, the leaves are turning a pale yellow, and you've been told that without a store-bought bag of chemicals, your harvest is doomed. But what if I told you that a solution has existed for millions of years? A living technology that works for free, day after day, regenerating the earth while you sleep. This isn't just about a plant, it's about a principle that was systematically pushed out of our collective memory. Not through a formal ban, but through something far more effective: dependency. The chemical industry convinced us that nature was broken and only their products could fix it. Today, we are reclaiming that lost wisdom. Go back 200 or even 1,000 years. There were no global supply chains, no synthetic nitrogen plants. Yet the earth was fertile. The Romans didn't understand the biochemistry of rhizobium bacteria, but they saw the results. They knew that after a field of lupins or vetch, the grain grew taller and the soil turned darker, richer, and more alive. The plants we are talking about belong to the legume family. They perform a miracle called biological nitrogen fixation. Nitrogen makes up 78% of our atmosphere, but most plants can't touch it. It's locked away. The industrial world uses massive heat and pressure to break those chemical bonds, but these plants do it silently. Through a holy alliance with microscopic bacteria in their roots, they pull nitrogen from the air and turn it into life-giving nutrients. Whether it's red clover, alfalfa, or vetch, these are the queens of the soil. Alfalfa can send its roots 15 feet deep, acting as a biological elevator that brings minerals from the depths up to the surface. When you cut these plants and let them decompose, you aren't just fertilizing, you are building humus, the black gold that holds water like a sponge and feeds billions of soil organisms. The industry wants you to solve every problem with a product for pests, a product for growth, a product for soil health. But nature solves many problems with one system. By integrating these plants, you aren't just saving thousands of dollars over the years, you are gaining something money can't buy: independence. Don't try to change everything overnight. Start with one bed. Plant a little clover between your tomatoes. Watch how the soil changes. Listen to what the earth is telling you. Because when you stop fighting nature and start partnering with it, you realize that true sovereignty starts right here, at the tip of your fingers, in the soil of your own backyard.